Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial showing how to use the R+m.TASK 2 on an Android tablet. So you got everything installed and kick it in. So first we need to set up the Bluetooth. So I need to set that up. So right now I have a Bluetooth, it's flashing because it's not paired yet. So, and you need to look at the last two digits, which is 67 here. So I click in this area. Did I have 67 yet? Nope, I don't have it. So I click here so that I can enter the new one. 6, 7. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. It looked like it picked it up. We'll find out. Right now at this point it's still flashing, but we'll see it go. But it should be in there. So I go to the editor. And then remember in the previous video I already showed you how to transfer all the file. So I have my file under Robo Plus Dream. So I got all my example code that I had here. So just scroll down. So if again, I had this one. And so you see the interface is very different. Like for example, you're here. This is how you add a blank line. Almost the same, you know. Execute a load statement. Double click there. You put a variable that's called data. Let's say click OK. And let's say we put in a number 999. So it have more stuff you need to move around and click OK. But I think you guys got the idea of how to do that. That's just a matter of learning there. Let's see. No, sorry, I clicked the wrong button there. So let's see, minus. To delete that. And then it has a bunch, select all, copy, paste, that sort of thing. Here listing all the variables you use. Here lists all the functions that you use. Here you can check for error, everything is good, of course. And then let's see if we can check it. Download is obviously here. Let's see if it's working. Connecting. Grid connected. Alright. Very good. It downloaded, and as usual it turned itself off. So I turn it back on again, and it's there. So let's see. So I can go to the output debug. It disconnected. Let's see. I'll make sure I got it right. Let's see here. And we connect it and see. Good, connecting. Here we go. So we can do like I think I have 3 on higher speed, I think. Yep. It's turning left and right differently. Okay. So that's the extent of it. There's another one I'd like to show you. So let's see if we can get out of this one. And then when you get in, if the program is already there, and you don't need to load or edit any program at all, you can go directly to the remote controller tool. And in there, of course, this is using the button. Let's see. So it works pretty much the same way, except in the middle button also works. Okay. Okay. Joystick working the same way, but you need to put it into the zone there. The sensor here is using the tilt on the tablet, so let's see, maybe if I can make it work. I have a tablet here, let's see. There we go, it's working. So I'm using the tilt sensor on it. Okay, so that's it. So basically the remote controller on the mobile devices is a lot more fully featured.